Dear learners, how are you? I think all of you are well by the grace of Almighty. I am also well. Today I will take a new class for class 8, English first paper, unit 6, lesson 4, topic boarding the plane. Dear learners, before going to start our class, I introduce myself. I am Shapon Kumar Mondol, assistant teacher, Angari High School, Shariatpur Sadar, Shariatpur. Dear learners, before going to start, you have to take some particular materials such as your notebook, pen and textbook. I think all things you have taken. Now I will show the slide. Dear learners, what can you see in this picture? There are 4 pictures. Those pictures are not similar. But now, first you have to discuss your partner to arrange the picture according to sequence. Now I will discuss about the picture for your good understanding. Checking passport and boarding pass, scanning bag, boarding a plane, waiting at the enclosed area in queue, waiting at the departure lounge. Dear learners, I think you have got it. Now I will show the correct answer. Dear learners, all of you are seeing the first sequence of the picture number 3, waiting the enclosed area in queue, and another picture is checking passport and boarding pass, scanning bag. Picture number 4, waiting at the departure lounge, and at last picture, boarding a plane. Now I will show the another slide. Dear learners, you can see on the screen there are some information, but first of all you have to read section A from your textbook and say whether the following statements are true or false. Dear students, before going to solve the task, I also discuss about some vocabulary. Now see some vocabulary. Dear learners, you can see there are some vocabularies such as seize, enclose, formalities, jail, ale seat. Seize meaning to take something suddenly and forcedly from someone. Sentence, making sentence. Teacher sees disallowed things from students in the exam hall. Dear learners, you can see there is a picture. The students have done some forbidden things. The teacher also sees these things from the students. Now I will discuss the another vocabulary. Enclose. Dear students, enclose meaning surrounding or close of all sides. Making sentence, the garden is enclosed with fence. Dear learners, you can see there is a playground or a garden. Think about it. There is a fence beside the garden or beside the playground. You can see that is enclosed area. Now I will discuss the another vocabulary. Dear learners, you can see formalities. Formalities meaning behavior we do socially and officially. Making sentence, we do lot of formalities in our life. আমরা আমাদের জীবনে অনেক ধরনের নিয়ম কানুন পালন করি বা মেনে চলি. Dear learners, if you see anyone or someone, then you will meet with them and you have to do some activities that is called behavior. There are two men, they were handshake each other, so this is a behavior. Now I will show the another vocabulary. Gel meaning liquid and thick substance for hair and skin beautification. Making sentence, in winter people use lip gel to keep lips soft and shiny. Dear learners, you can see this is the liquid things. It looks like that. Now see the another word, aisle seat, meaning this seat beside the walkway in a plane. Making sentence, my mother always prefers aisle seat in journey. Dear students, you can see these are the aisle seat. Now dear students, open your book, unit 6, lesson 4, and you have to read the text carefully. After reading this text, you have to answer these questions. Everybody has hand baggage with them. The girl didn't have any liquid other than a small lip gel in carry on bag. More than 100 ml liquid is not allowed on board in handbag. Security checking is an open area. Mita has got an aisle seat. Dear learners, I think you have got it. Now I will show the answer. Everybody has handbags with them. This sentence is true. The girl didn't have any liquid other than a small lip gel in carry on bag. This statement is true. More than 100 ml liquid is not allowed on board in handbag. This statement also true. Security checking is an open area is not correct. This statement is false. Mita has got an aisle seat. This statement is also false. Now, dear students, you can see there are some information. First of all, you have to listen the announcement for boarding the plane and complete the chart. Now, listen.
This is the final boarding call. Passengers going to Nepal by Bangladesh Viman, flight number BG8. Interstellar just in the line. Now, row number F. requested to go to one of them. Passengers row A are first at the last. Passengers, attention please. This is the final boarding call and this is the final boarding call.
Dear learners, for your good understanding, I also repeat this listening. Now listen to carefully. Dear learners, this is the final boarding call. Passenger going to Nepal by Bangladeshi Biman, flight nom BG88. Attention please, you are requested to make a line to board the aircraft. Passengers from business class will come first in the line. Now passengers of row nom F are requested to go in the line to board. The passengers of E, D, C and B are requested to go gradually one after another. Please be in the line and go towards the gate. Passengers for row A are called for boarding at the last. Passengers, attention please. This is the final boarding call and this is the final boarding call. Dear learners, I think all of you heard this lesson and read out the passage. Now you have to
read the text in section A and say whether the following statements are true or false.
Listen to the announcement for boarding the plane and complete the chart.
Dear learners, you have to complete the search. I think all of you heard this listening. Now you have to write the correct chart. Dear learners, destination, name of the airway, flight number, name of the booth, passengers called first to board, rows called for boarding last. Dear learners, I think all of you have done well. Now I want to show the correct answer. Destination Nepal, name of the airways Bangladesh Biman, flight number BG88, name of the booth E9, passengers called first board business class, rows called for boarding last, row A. Dear students, I think all of you watched the class. I will take the another class next time. Till then you have to till then you will be safe, staying at your home. Today I have come to the end of my class. Thanks a lot for watching my class. Thank you so much.